let us write a program for checking whether a number is perfect number or not. What is perfect number? I'll explain you afterwards. In the previous video, we have seen factors of a number. First of all, I will show you how to find the sum of the factors of a number. What does it mean? I want to add the factors 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8. I want to add all these factors. First of all, let us learn how to add them. Then I will show you perfect number. So how to add means for adding all these, I should have one more variable. What is that? Sum. I will take sum, initially 0. Right? What I should do? This is 0 plus 1. Result is 1. Next time when I'm adding, sum is 1 plus 2, it is 3. Then here no need to add. Then 4 is a factor, so add it. 3 plus 4 is 7. Then don't add. Here again add it. So what was the last result of sum? Sum plus 8 is 15. So this is how I can add the factors of a number. So here what I should write down? Sum, assign, sum plus I. This is what I should do. So instead of printing the numbers, I have added them. So now you are already familiar with this. I don't have to explain. Now here there is no flowchart. Already we have seen the flowchart in the previous program. It's a continuation of that. So you have to develop the flowchart, right? So it's like your homework, because if I draw flowchart and explain it, become very complex. So we have already learned sufficient flowcharts. Now directly let us write the program. So come to this one. See, this portion till here, I was printing here earlier, right? Instead of printing, we are adding. So everything was there. So everything was as it is. Here I was printing. So for print, I was using cout I. Now this time I don't have to cout I. I have to add them. So for that, I have taken one more variable, sum. I should say sum assign sum plus I. That's it. So this is inside if. So this end of for loop will give the sum of all these factors. If you want to print, you can say cout sum of factors is sum. You can display this. Sum will be displayed. That's it. So this will become a program for finding the sum of the factors of a number. You can try this one, right? There is a coding exercise available for this. So you can complete it. Now coming to perfect number. So actually we are going to find out what is a perfect number. Now I can explain you. See, what is the sum for factors of 8? It is 15. How much is the number? 8. 2 into 8 is how much? 16. But the number that we got is 15. So double the number. Is it equal to the sum of the factors of a number? No. It's not a fact. It's not a perfect number. Then if I take 6, what are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3 and 6. Add them, 12. So 2 into 6 is also 12. See, this is the sum of the factors of 6 and this is double the number 6. So if the sum of the factors of a number is double the number, then it is perfect number. This is the definition. If the sum of the factors of a number is double the number, then it is a perfect number. So for checking a number is perfect or not, first of all, I should have the sum of the factors. So that's what already we have done. Now, instead of printing the sum, I have to say whether it is a perfect number or not. So I'll remove that and I will write down the condition. Let us write a condition. Here, after finding sum, I should check if 2 into number, double the number, is it equal to sum? If it is equal to sum, we will print cout perfect number, right? Else, if it is not equal, then cout not a perfect number, right? Not a perfect number. That's all. This is so simple. So earlier I have just printed the sum. Now I am checking double the number is equal to sum. See, this has to be done after this loop, right? After the for loop. So afterwards check whether they are equal. If so, print this one. See, I'm not writing flower bracket because these are single lines only. So that's all. This is a program for finding a perfect number. So there is a coding exercise available, even a demo is also available. So finish the coding exercise and also write the program, complete program by yourself. Take the help of demo if you need. So that's all in this video. Now in next video, again the similar logic. Little changes will make it as a new program. So let us move to next topic.